What's up, guys? This is Jason coming at you. This is part 2 in our worship medley series. That's by Reggie Royal. This is I Just Want to Praise You. So let's just get into it. If you haven't seen part 1, definitely go back, watch part 1. It's awesome.
Just want to praise you. Lift my hands and say I love you. You are everything to me, and yes. Exalt your holy name on high. Can you lift your voice and declare that tonight? I just want to praise you, Lord. Sing. Come on, sing. Just want to praise you. Lift my hands and say it all over the building.
The song is in F. Alright, so I'm going to play it, same format. I'm going to play it, and then I'm going to go back over it and show you some things you can do to make it your own. Alright, so here we are first. First chord, 1. Alright, so on my left hand I have F, C, F, and G with my thumb. On my right hand I have C, F, and A. Here's the melody right here. All right, the next chord is A augmented. So in my left hand, my right hand are the same notes. I have A, C sharp, and F. A, C sharp, and F. All right, next chord, you're going to play C over B flat. Right? So my left hand, I have B flat, F. Right hand, G, C, and then you're going to resolve it. So you're going to move your C and your E down to B flat and D. So let's go over that. Alright. The next chord is A2. So in my left hand I have G, D, G. My right hand I have A, B flat, D, and F. This is a G minor 9. And then in your, after that next chord, you're going to do like a 1, 5, 4, 5 type thing. So your left hand stays on 5, on C. So your C, G, C over here. Your right hand is F, C, I'm sorry, A, C, F. Right? A, C, F. G, C, E is next. All right. After that, you're going the 4, F, B flat, C, D, F. And then back to the same C chord. So, all right. So let's take it from what we have so far. Melody. All right. Next chord. Same within the first song. We're playing this chord. Now, go back to the first one if you don't remember how we build this, but this is it. I'll spell it out. A, C sharp, G. Right hand is F, A, C, F. Sometimes I play it like this. Invert, whatever. All right. Next chord, we are playing D augmented. Or, I'm sorry, D suspended. The note over here shows, the chord shows something.